Today, we're looking at the Westinghouse Igen 4500c Inverter generator. We'll do an unboxing, we'll add some gas and oil, connect the battery, and crank it up for the first time. We'll also do some sound tests and go over specifications so you can see how cool this product really is.
Before we get any further, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I appreciate your help.
Now that I have unboxed it, let's look what comes with it. It comes with a quart of oil, a oil funnel, a charger for the battery, trickle charger, a little toolkit with a screwdriver and a spark plug wrench, and an owner's manual with a reminder that says take the generator outside, don't use it inside. Looks like a pretty neat unit. We have a pull handle for a pull start on this side. This has got our exhaust with our battery compartment, so we'll connect the battery. This is our instrument panel with our start button, our on-off button, and our electrical connections.
On the instrument panel, we have our on-off switch here, our push button electric start. We also have a remote control so we can remote start or turn it on and off. We have our eco mode switch here, which drops it down to makes it quieter. We have a battery recharger port here, a runtime LED here, our shut-off valve for our gas, a 30 amp RV connector, and 20 amp two 110 120 volt outlets. We have our connectors here for parallel options, so we can connect two of the inverters together to double our output. We have our USB options here, so we can charge our phones or other USB devices. We have our reset switch, so should you exceed the power, it'll trip a breaker here, so you have to reset it here. We have our carbon monoxide light here, so if there's too much carbon monoxide, it'll power off, and this is our indicator that it has powered off, so either low oil or carbon monoxide. And this is our instrument panel, so we'll crank her up and we'll flip through the instrument panel if I can remember which ones are what. So this is showing the frequency that it's outputting. Right now nothing's plugged into it, so it's not putting any voltage out. Right now it's showing there's 0 voltage being drawn from the inverter. And Well, this is our fuel level, and this is how much power it's generating, so it's capable of going up to 124 volts. And this is our run time. So right now we have 3/10 of an hour. So I'll go ahead and use the remote start to power it off.
To test the sound level, I use the NOSH app that was developed by the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. It has an accuracy of 97%. A wireless microphone was placed 20 feet away from the equipment being tested.
Today we're doing some sound testing on the Westinghouse generator and comparing it to a lawnmower and a power blower. I have a dB meter on my phone. This is just regular backyard noise. So let's crank up the lawnmower. We're 20 feet away, and it's showing 70, around 70 dB. And with the gas blower, we're at 78, 80 dB. This is running at non-eco mode. It's the loudest it runs. It's showing 58, 59 dB. In eco mode, it's dropping down to 55, 56 dB. It's a pretty quiet generator.
Well, that completes our review of the Westinghouse Igen 4500c Inverter generator. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on the next video. I hope you have a great day.